Hello everyone, in this video I will be doing a quick analysis of the new feature in SQL Server 2017, that is Resumable Online Index. So it's still early days and still the final version of SQL 2017 is not yet released, but I've got the RC2 version installed in my system, and let's quickly do a check of the new Resumable Online Index feature. So I have a database counter, so retail. So what I will do is that quickly I will run a select query on one of the tables. I'll purposefully take a row lock on this table. So I'll be taking a row lock on this table for 5 minutes so that this query will be taking row locks. Meanwhile I will run a new query, and I'll try to update one of the indexes on this table. So I'll quickly go to this table, fact sales, and it has got one cluster index. What I will try to do is that I will try to rebuild this index with the new feature. So I'll script out this query, and as you can see that this is a new feature. So resumable equal to on is what I have to put here, and also I will make it an online rebuild. So what I'll do is that I'll fire this query. So it's a lab system, so that's why I needed to take the lock on this particular table to demonstrate this feature. So if I again go and run a new query to figure out what exactly is happening on this index rebuild. So here I will be seeing that the alter index is running, and it's running slowly because already the select query is having a row lock, and so it's running very slowly. So as I can see that only 7.5% has been completed. So let me open a new query window, and on this new query window what I will be doing is that I will just pause this index rebuild. So I'll put the clause as pause and then execute. Sorry, I'm running it in the master. So now this index is paused. So if I again go and check here, so I can see that it was around 7 to 10% completed. So what I will do is that now I'll just go and cancel this select query, and I'll just change it to resume and run this query here. So now it's moving fast, it will get completed very soon. So what is happening here is that when I pause the rebuild, it exactly will again start the resume from where it paused. So if the rebuild was say 40% complete, it will just start from here. So this is a very useful feature being introduced in the new SQL Server 2017 edition. Now it's 83% completed. So now it's completed. So this is a very useful feature in real-time production environments where there are large tables and there are indexes which takes huge time to rebuild. So you run a job to rebuild indexes, and then you have an important data warehouse job starting in some time, and just to index rebuild didn't complete. So rather than cancelling and again restarting everything, you can just pause it. Once your important critical job completes, you can again resume it from that place. So it's a new feature being added in SQL Server 2017, which will be really very useful in real-time production environment scenarios.